Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Ukpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to back up memories on Snapchat. So backing up your Snapchat memories help you to ensure your saved snaps and stories to be safely stored in Snapchat's cloud storage and you can access it all time even if you switch devices. So to back up memories, first open a Snapchat app on your device. After that, click on the profile icon at top left corner of the screen and then click on settings icon at top right corner. Now on the settings page, scroll down and under additional services, find memories option and click on it. Now within this page, you will see backup progress. So Snapchat automatically back up your memories to the cloud. If any snap are still waiting to back up, you will see their status bar right to the backup progress. So you just need to make sure you have active internet connection and keep Snapchat open if needed to back up all your memories. And once you see complete written here, it means all the memories are backed up. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.